A little toasty on that one. Boneless chicken thighs cooked in the Visions Skillet. You think it's cooked? I tested it with the thermometer. Let's take a bite. Boneless chicken thighs in a Visions Skillet. Oh, a mouthful of crust. That was good. Okay. The crust tastes really good. Let's see if we can get a piece of chicken. Oh. Mmm. Let's do it. Let's take another bite of the actual chicken meat. Mm. Oh. Oh, that is really good. I'm not even sure it needs salt. We did put salt, and we did put garlic salt. It might need just a tiny bit of salt. I don't know. I love salt. That's very tasty. Let's take another bite. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, it's very juicy. I'm going to try just a little bit, okay? Salt helps. Oh. Hey, give it up for Loretta Lynn. This was a Crisco ad. I didn't want to use Crisco. I wanted to use Mazola. We go with the big one? Let's go with the big one. We're probably going to only eat 2 of these. All crust. All crust. I'm not sorry. All right. Mmm. Mmm. I like it. Very crusty. One more bite. Oh. Boy, I really needed some fried chicken today. Loretta Lynn's 1980s crispy fried chicken. Thanks for joining me this Tuesday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.